Introduction to Data Analytics with Python. Introduction. Data analytics is the process of analyzing and extracting meaningful insights from data to inform decision-making. Python is a popular programming language used for data analytics due to its simplicity, versatility, and powerful libraries for data manipulation, statistical analysis, and machine learning. This chapter provides a comprehensive overview of the fundamental concepts and techniques of data analytics with Python. It introduces you to terminologies such as data preprocessing, data visualization, statistical analysis, and machine learning. It teaches you how to use Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Scikit-Learn to perform these tasks. By the end of the chapter, you will have a solid foundation in data analytics with Python, which you can use to analyze and visualize data, build regression models, and make informed decisions. In this chapter, you will appreciate the different types of data analytics. You will learn the basic concepts and terminologies used in data analytics. You will get an overview of data analysis with Python and learn why Python is now a popular language for data analysis. You will learn about the tools and libraries commonly used in data analytics, including Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and Scikit-Learn. You will learn how to manipulate, clean, and visualize data using these tools. You will learn through a project how to build a regression model. Enjoy the course, and please feel free to reach out to me using the email provided below for inquiries or to attend live events